Okay, dear students, now I am going to explain third problem and fourth problem in exercise 6.4. Okay, so first third problem, which of the following are GP? If they are GP, write three more terms. So given problem is 4, 8, 16. So we have to verify whether given progression is GP or not. Okay, so ఇచ్చిన సంఖ్యలు అవి జీపీలో ఉన్నాయి లేదో ముందుగా మనం కనుగొనాలి. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఈస్ గివెన్? సో గివెన్ 4, 8, 16. So what is the definition of the geometric progression? So the successive terms are obtained by multiplying the preceding term by a fixed number. Such a list of numbers said to be to form geometric progression. Okay, now so that means each term is obtained by multiplying a fixed number to its preceding number. Then it is called geometric progression. Okay, so the fixed number is called common ratio. ఆ స్థిర సంఖ్యనే ఏమంటాం మనం? సామాన్య నిష్పత్తి అని అంటాం. అంటే ఏదైనా ఒక శ్రేణిలో ప్రతి పదము దాని ముందున్న పదాన్ని ఒక స్థిర సంఖ్యచే గుణించగా ఏర్పడినచో ఆ శ్రేణిని గుణశ్రేణి అని అంటాం. ఓకే, ఈచ్ టర్మ్ ఈజ్ అబ్టైన్డ్ బై మల్టిప్లయింగ్ ఇట్స్ ప్రిసీడింగ్ నెంబర్ by a fixed number, then it is called a geometric progression. Okay, that fixed number is called common ratio. Now let us verify that. A2 by A1, A2 by A1 is equal to 8 by 4, that equal to 2. And next verify A3 by A2, that equal to A3 is 16, 16 by 8, that equal to 2. So now we get A2 by A1 is equal to A3 by A2. We get same numbers, that equal to 2. So given progression, also given numbers are in GP. ఓకే, అవి ఇచ్చిన సంఖ్యలు గుణశ్రేణిలో ఉన్నాయని చెప్తాం. సో రైట్ త్రీ మోర్ టర్మ్స్ అన్నాడు. సో ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్, సెకండ్ టర్మ్, థర్డ్ అంటే ఫోర్త్, ఫిఫ్త్, సిక్స్త్ టర్మ్స్. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ ఫోర్త్, ఫిఫ్త్, సిక్స్త్ టర్మ్స్ బికాస్ those three terms are the next three more terms. Okay, so let us find that numbers. Now in this A is equal to 4 and R is equal to A2 by A1, that equal to 8 by 4, that equal to 2. So fourth term, is equal to, in GP what is the formula for fourth term? AR cube, that equal to A is 4. Now we have to substitute AR values in this. AR value is 2. Okay, 2 cube, that equal to 4 into 2 cube means 8. 4 8s are 32. So in the same way we have to find fifth term also. So fifth term, so fifth term is equal to, that equal to AR to the power of 4, that equal to, now we have to substitute AR values in this formula. A value is 4 and R value is 2, 2 to the power of 4, that equal to 4 into 2 to the power of 4 means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So that equal to 4 6 are 24, 2 4 1s are 4 2 6 64. So next sixth term is equal to AR to the power of 5. So that equal A is 4 and R value is 2. Okay now, 5 4 to the power of 4. That equal to 4 into 2 to the power of 5 means 32. 2 into 2 into 5 times alpha. You will get 32. So that equal to 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. So 128. So therefore the next three terms are 32, 64, 128. So therefore GP is equal to 4, 8, 16. So we find the terms 32, 64, 128 like this. Okay. So in this way we solved third problem. And next what about fourth problem? So please follow me. Find x so that x plus 2, x plus 6 are consecutive terms of a geometric progression. అంటే ఒక గుణశ్రేణిలో ఈ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 2 ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 6 అనేవి మూడు వరుస సంఖ్యలు అయినా ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ ఎంత అన్నాడు. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏమని ఇచ్చాడు, మనకి జీపీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ కామా ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 2 కామా ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 6. ఓకే, సో దీస్ ఆర్ ఇన్ జీపీ. సో ఇన్ జీపీ సో కామన్ రేషియో ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ కదా, a2 by a1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు a3 by a2. Okay, now here what is a2? X plus 2 by what is a1? X. What is a3? X plus 6 by what is a2? X plus 2. Okay, now please do the cross multiplication. You will get some value, and next after simplification that you will get x value. Okay, now do the cross multiplication. So x into x plus 6, okay, that equal x plus 2 into x plus 2, x plus 2 into x plus 2. So x into x, x square. So x into 6, 6x, that equal to, now you multiply these two, x into x plus 2 and x square plus x into 2, 2x plus 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into 2, 4. So now cancel this x square and x square. You will get 6x is equal to 2x, 4x plus 4. Now bring this 4x to this side. So 4x minus 6x minus 4x is equal to 4. Okay now. So 6x minus 4x is 2x, that equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 by 2. Therefore x is equal to 2. Okay now. So in this way you find x value. Okay. Thank you.